Hey you guys, it's Denise at my Bayfront. I'm at the San Diego Bayfront Hilton Hotel. I just wanted to show you the 2-bed, so this is room 1608. This is how it looks. You're gonna have to excuse the mess we got in last night. So when you come in, turn to your left, you have the bathroom, a nice sized bathroom. The mirrors are really nice. You have your makeup mirror. It's just one sink, and you have storage under, and then you have toilet, and this is the shower, so it's just a standard shower and tub. And the water was nice and warm. And then over here you have 2 hooks that you can hook, put your clothing on. And then this is what you're facing when you're walking out. When you come out, there's a long, full-length mirror here. And then to your other left, there's a closet here where you can put your clothing. There is an iron and ironing board. There are no robes. And then you come over here, and then there's the headboard. There is a picture on the wall, and there are lamps on the side of each bed, and then also one in the middle. And it's pretty clean, but there is one spot there. Then over here you have a refrigerator, a small refrigerator. This is how small it is, but it's functional. You're able to put something in there. And then you have the brewing station. This is the television. There's some waters here for $5. There's some more drawer space. There is a table and chair. There's another picture there with lamps. There's also a sitting area that you can sit at with a big lamp. And then this is the view that we have. So actually, it's not really a bad view. This is nice. And then the pool area is below. As you can see, there's one person in the pool, but it is the middle of January. But the pool is really cute. And then this is the city of San Diego, and the water looks really pretty. We don't have automatic curtains or anything like that. You just draw them closed. They seem to be blackout curtains. There's space over here in case you need to put stuff or whatever. And then again, these are clean. And then we have the telephone here with the lamp, and then some drawers. San Diego, the guest book. I apologize about the mess, but if you're wondering how the San Diego Bayfront Hilton looks with the 2 queen beds, then this is how it looks. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. And also, I forgot to mention that the parking is $40 a night. And I wasn't even here a whole night. I just got here last night, like around 6:45 p.m. and I'm leaving the next morning. It's 11:48 and $45. Not even a whole day.